In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money allows you to customize your profile by adding or updating your profile picture, which helps personalize your account and makes it easier to identify users in shared households. To do this on desktop, click your name or profile icon in the bottom left corner, then go to Settings. Under the Profile section, click Upload Photo or the camera icon. Choose an image from your computer, adjust the crop if needed, then click Save to apply the changes. For best results, use a square image in JPG or PNG format so it fits properly within the profile frame. Once updated, your profile picture will automatically sync across all your devices, so you'll see the change everywhere you use Monarch Money. If you're part of a shared household, each member can set their own profile picture separately. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.